Welcome to the Hollywood Racks product video for the heavy-duty bike parking racks. The dual-use system can be assembled as either a maximum capacity double-sided rack or a space-saving single-sided rack. Featuring heavy-duty welded steel construction and a park equipment-grade exterior finish, these racks are suitable for both commercial and residential use. The racks can be bolted to concrete and connected together with optional accessories. These easily assembled racks fit both wide and narrow tires. With a 6, 8, and 10 bike capacity, these economically priced racks are readily available for your local bike shop or internet reseller. For more information, please visit us at hollywoodracks.com.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.